It all started in a chat he sent to me. Jude Jideofor. Dima, good morning. I am a student. I will be doing my theological thesis next year on the subject NNA. I have some questions I would want to raise so your viewers can provide answers to, which would help in my research. And this caught my attention. We faced to have a one-on-one chat so he can raise the questions.
Hi! It's still your girl Dima Art and Crafts. Please, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay. Thank you, Dima Art and Craft. Thank you, our viewers. My name is Jideofor Jideofor. I am a student who is interested in searching and researching. And I'm here to raise questions on the documentary that Dima and Art has done concerning NNA in Nsukka. And it's a tradition that I'm very, very interested in. And I know in few years to come, I may be able to put down one or two things about it. But I cannot do this if the concerning questions I have about it is not well cleared. So I have a simple task here, just to raise those questions that will help me get to what I want concerning this tradition in the Nsukka area. Thank you.
So, what are the questions that you want our community to offer answers to?
Thank you so much. In the previous documentary that you did, some of the questions have been taken care of, but I would just like to ask the serial questions so that the ones that have not been handled, then you can help me get answers to it. And the first question I would like to ask is, when we talk about NNA or Ndish in some parts of Nsukka, what is it about? Is it about a deity that is worshipped? Is it about our ancestors? Or just what they say that NNA is everywhere in every family? If it is so, is it a god? So this is the number one question I would like them to handle on this. Then the second question I would like them to treat that when we talk about NNA tormenting a woman that indulged in sexual infidelity, it is particularized because we know our fathers, on the part of our fathers, they have the right, they have the freedom to sex as many women as possible, both married and unmarried, prostitutes, as long as it is not on his matrimonial bed. The man has the right to do all these things. And NNA on dish will not torment this man for doing so. So, and this will lead to another aspect of the question, which is there a sense of equality in this NNA issue between our fathers and our mothers? Is there a sense of balancing? Or are we to take it to be a patriarchal society created by our forefathers to subjugate our mothers and to treat them as puppets? Now, after this, we can as well talk about the view of our mothers on this issue of NNA. Have our mothers been consulted on this issue? Are they in support of it? How do they see it? Then further, when someone is being tormented by NNA, what is to be done? Does NNA kill the person instantly, or we talk about appeasement of NNA? If there is appeasement, what is the right of this appeasement? How is it done? What are the things to buy? What are the necessary things? Then an extension to this question is, when the rite of appeasement has been performed, how many days, how many weeks, how many months does it take for the person being tormented to get healed, to be normal? Then we can also talk about further extension to this question, and that is, when the appeasement has been done, has the man the right to talk about divorce, to tell the wife, even though the thing has been done, you are okay, I'm no longer continuing with the marriage. Is it done? Or vice versa. Then after this, we can then go further and say, is there any part of Nsukka, a family in this part of Nsukka, or a kindred, that no matter what they do in terms of sexual infidelity, that they cannot be tormented by this NNA? If there is, why? Then further, we can as well ask another question. When we look around, what can we really say is the benefit or the merit or the advantage, and as well the demerit, the disadvantage of NNA in our place? What are the benefits and what are the merits of it? So can we really say that these things are the good aspects of it and these things are the bad aspects of it? So I would like to have all these things. So when I have all this, then I think it will go a long way in helping me to articulate my points. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time and your questions. Thank you very much. So we'll get back to you. We'll get back to you to give you the answers to your question. So boom, let's see the streets to provide answers to his questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I thank the
Let's go there.
members.
Okay, so please don't forget to follow your girl Adima Art and Crafts and subscribe to my YouTube channel Adima Art and Crafts. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Follow me for more updates, more videos. Thank you. Bye.